Hi y'all, my name is Sandy. I'm a dietitian over at Beartooth Billings Clinic in Red Lodge. Today I'm going to share with you a favorite of mine. It's kind of like a special sweet treat. It's a good way to use pantry items that you have, and it is essentially a Greek yogurt based bark. So it could be like a fruit bark, a nut bark, whatever you have on hand. So what I've done here is I've taken the yogurt, and I like to use a Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is essentially just a little extra protein, a little less sugar. I used coconut because that's just what I had on hand. You could use whatever yogurt you had in the fridge. I mixed it with a little bit of honey just to give it some dimension and some flavor. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this cookie sheet here, which I put parchment paper down on, and I'm gonna spread that along my parchment paper. I'm not doing anything to the parchment paper, like greasing it or anything. And I'm just gonna spread, I'm gonna move you a little bit. Just gonna spread this out. And be thinking about like a thickness that you want while you're spreading this out. You could be using any pan that you have on hand, whether that's a pie pan or a cookie sheet like this one, or maybe a bar pan. So I like this thickness. I'm gonna spread that out there. And then the fun part is picking the toppings that you have in your pantry. So what I have here are some toppings that I just found in my pantry. I've got some honey for a drizzle. I don't have any peanut butter, but I think that would be an awesome drizzle. I have some flax seed and chia seed ground, just chia seeds, some coconut, frozen berries, and maybe even a trail mix. So really, this could be any topping you want. The sky's the limit. I've got my Greek yogurt here, and I think I'm gonna add some blueberries. And I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle them on there. You could be using any berry though. You know, if you have strawberries, if you have bananas, it doesn't have to be frozen. It could be fresh, it could be dried, whatever you have on hand. I am also gonna give this a little sprinkle of coconut, but I'm only gonna do one side because I know my kiddos are not gonna like the coconut. I'm also gonna do a little sprinkle of flax and chia seed. Sprinkling this chia seed and this flax on the bark here. I'm gonna throw in some trail mix for some good measure. And then to top it off, I'm gonna top it off with the drizzle. So you could be drizzling this with honey, peanut butter, chocolate. You could make like a fruit puree with some frozen berries. Anything you would like to add to it is really up to you and whatever you have on hand, right? So this is what our final product, well, almost final product looks like. We're gonna go ahead and pop this in the freezer, and it should be good to go in about a couple hours as a snack.